Hi, my name's Carly, and my role with this company is the inspection coordinator. I sit at the front desk and I take all the inbound calls and I schedule all the foundation evaluations. The most fulfilling part of my work is this is obviously a stressful time for homeowners, being worried about their foundation, if their house is going to hold up, and giving them the reassurance that we will definitely be able to help them and they can feel confident in their structure of their home. I think the most important thing that they feel with me is once we hang up the phone, get them scheduled for their inspection, they can feel at ease with moving forward and feeling comfortable in a project like this, because it's a big deal and it can be stressful. And once they hang up the phone, I don't want them to be stressed out, and I feel like I give that to them. Family is the entire reason why I'm here. With my previous background, I was missing a lot of my family, and this job has given me the opportunity to be with my family. And I have 3 daughters, I have a grandson, and maybe a granddaughter, maybe a grandson on the way, and they're my life. They're my life, and I love spending time with them, doing volleyball, softball, whatever it is. That's me in a nutshell. What I do for fun, I actually am a volleyball coach, and both of my daughters that live with me now play travel sports, and that's what I do for fun. And I have a grandson and another grandbaby on the way, and that is my fun time. Fun facts about me is I'm really funny. That's a fun fact. And I love sports. My family is a sports family, and that's what we do. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned a little bit about me, and I would be more than happy to schedule a foundation evaluation for you. Call the number below and I will be happy to help.